Shiva meditations on Ram, Ram meditates on Shiva, we meditate on Om. Please clarify. I am so happy that you put yourself in the line of Ram, Shiva. That Shiva is meditating Ram, Ram is meditating Shiva, and Shiva is meditating Balaji, Balaji is meditating Om, and Om is meditating again Shiva. Or I am going in the line, that is good. It is coordination. This is only the beauty of our spiritual Vedas and ideas, that this is the coordination. They have departments. Somebody has a production department, somebody has a sales department. They must coordinate. The production says that we cannot manage this, so every month we will produce 1 million cars. The sales people say, but we are selling 10,000. There is no place to keep. दोनों को coordinate तो करना है. Why you are not selling? Because your price is coming more. So the third person, accounts, will come inside and say, okay, how to reduce the price, how to make this available. So little coordination is necessary. That coordination has been told by this phenomenon that Shiva is meditating Ram, Ram is meditating Shiva. And there is a very nice story in this also, that when Ram was always meditating on Shiva is meditating on Ram, then Parvati was little surprised that you are the Devo ke Dev, God's God. You are highest. This is very good. Every wife should think that her husband is top. Sita will say Ram is at top. And how then you are meditating on Ram and like this? Who is this Ram? I want to know. He said, don't worry, trust me. But she was not happy. Generally this will happen in our day-to-day life also. One day Ram was on this Vanvas. They were on the seashore taking shower. He took shower and came from the sea. And Parvati changed herself like Sita and came there. And she thought that immediately he will say, oh, nice darling, you have come, and hug her or something. Instead of that, Ram looked and suddenly went to her feet and said, what is this, mother? What this makeup and what costume you have taken today? Why you have become Sita? Then she realized that it is not the outer body they know, it is something different he can understand. And this capacity, therefore Shiva is contemplating on Ram. This is also the same, that you try to see the problems of others which are at the core. Don't go by the superficial problems. So the coordination in the house, I must understand what are the problems of my son should understand what are the problems of my mother or his mother, and mother should say what are the problems of her daughter-in-law, or the daughter-in-law should understand what are the problems of father-in-law or mother. And try to coordinate, that we have to, everybody is different personality, different entity, different potential, but they are needed. When they work together, it is very nice. These are two-phase lamps here. When there is a three-phase electricity, but it has to be matched properly with the neutral. Otherwise, everything is gone, and otherwise they can have a big power. So this coordination is there. It is not whole day Shiva is sitting and say Ram, 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 Ram. This is ridiculous. And it is not necessary also for Shiva. It is true that Shiva and Ram, this story goes more than Brahma, which is kept aside. Once his creation work is over, then he is sitting away. He is not in the picture afterwards. How you deal with the production, they don't know. So like that this is there. But between Ram and Shiva, there is a very nice coordination necessary. Otherwise our body will not work. It will rupture. It will fall down. इनकी कृपा से हमारा चालू है जीवन. सो दोनों एक दूसरे की सोचते हैं. वो एक दूसरे की टांग अड़ाएंगे तो कुछ होगा नहीं.